Okay, this is about the handle behind for the Ioniq hybrid, and noticeable mostly some of the user having this thing broke. So to prevent that, if you still have it, here is you take it out from the handle behind, and you can see this part is hollow. So most likely is here will break. So the most easy is just put in a epoxy putty here, epoxy steel like this. So my one is a 4 minutes dry, and quickly put it in inside, and that's about it. This one should be better and strong. So this one there's no broken part, but if you have those broken part, this is a prevention. So you put in the epoxy putty steel here. If you really have a broken part, try to glue it first. But first of all, I still recommend that you put it in the epoxy steel on this part. Sorry, should be this part. Yeah, should be the bottom part. This is should be should be the top part. This is facing up. So put it inside the epoxy putty, steel putty. Then, if the thing broke, glue it back, attach it back. Then after that, you start using because previously I was also using the plastic welding, but it seemed to be not working so good. The plastic welding using the netting, we have a so big gap. So I realized that it's not good point. Then I take it out and just use a little bit here, cover it with the plastic welding. Because in the original here, if you measure, this should be about 14 mm, 13 to 14 mm. So it's about 14. So this cannot be a more than 15. Cannot be a 15. Because previously I have a 15. I cannot slot into the to the car handle. So 14 like this, I think should be fine. Maintain the thickness of the side here. The important is this part here, not entirely for this one on top. The slot is until here only, half. So this part is more crucial. So I just put a little bit. After that, I sand it down after I measure, and that's all. The most important is just fill in the epoxy steel here. If you haven't broke yet, I suggest you add this here. This will be make the thing stronger. Yep, that's about it. Thank you.